Okay, I was banned out of state. I was like chicken shit.
Do you think he knows your predicament? Does he know you are suffering?
No. Suffering. How many people? Politics.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Would you like to meet him?
Agenda munyuve kuvango mukolere nowe jaze bwe ndimo pakasiwe nakano ngaje kali ontwala mu police office akango nyo mpa
so
nyo kutaba
oyagala kusisinkana Museveni. Do you want to meet him? Okumubulira embeera you are suffering, your mother is abandoned, yafuna kagati.
Sijagenda
sana kuyamba.
I had a chance of
how should he help you?
Halikiyu neshinza kujogebwa baana bano myaka 10 nga kazunza lutwe be basokola abantu be bati abantu ebweru nze ne baleeta mulani njisi babumu njimire